friend just literally gave me her motorbike for the entire day to take wherever I want for free. So that's kind of insane. Insane when you're an irredeemable, evil-ass motherfucker and some nice person just goes out of their way to help you for literally no reason. Okay, I'm not that evil, but I greatly appreciate that. It's just, I didn't even ask, it's offered. Like, I don't know. That's crazy nice. People here are so nice, it's unreal. I just saw this, decided to take a stop by. Some water to drink. It's kind of a nice little temple. Maybe I'll just snap a quick picture and take off. I'm headed like 40 minutes out of town, so. But I need some water. I need to stop and get like a bottle or two of water. I can feel it in my guts. Alright, let me make sure this is actually recording right. I had it zoomed in again. Oh, yesterday. Yeah, I gotta go straight here. Alright, we're off. I got a 40-minute drive ahead of me. No phone mount, which is better for you guys, but worse for me. Better for you 90 random people that watch 5 seconds of the video and click away. Hello! He just says hello to me. We're front brake maxing. Look at these nice ass trees, man. There's purple flowers all over them. It's red. Still red, man. What the hell? This guy's honking at me. It's fucking red, god damn it. There's so much development happening here. It's crazy. Like the whole city's under fucking construction, isn't it? Machines everywhere. "25 kilometers, I turn right, so I don't need my GPS for 25 kilometers, okay. Put that away in there. And now we'll get by this concrete truck. Yeah. There we go, thank God. What's this, wine? A lot of the touristy stuff here is, or the attractions here are very touristy. Like, they're not historical or natural. It seems like they were built in the last like the last 50 years specifically for tourists, which it's fine, I guess, but it's not really, that kind of stuff's not really my forte, if you will. Is that even the right word? I don't fucking know, but it's not really my thing. I like the historical shit. I'll have to make sure I treat my good friend Scooter here with the utmost care. I would say I would treat it like it's my own, but that's not. I'm going to treat it like it's not mine because I don't take care of this shit. This might. Did I go the wrong way? Ah, fuck, I did. I fucking knew it. Alright, turn around.
Okay, U-turn, then sharp right.
Man, it literally, I could be in BC right now. It feels so weird. Like, it smells like British Columbia. It looks like British Columbia a little bit. Obviously not exactly the same. There's some tropical variations of shrubbery here, but overall, like it's crazy that I'm in Vietnam right now. You just picture like Southeast Asia, but I'm not even in the north of the country either. But obviously once I get north, it'll be more temperate.
Part of me also doesn't want to leave. Like, I guess I have to check out again tomorrow, but I don't know, I just feel better staying at one spot, honestly. Just staying here and just branching out has been more enjoyable than these short little excursions. I find the short little 2-day trips, I find it fucking exhausting. I don't know, like, we need the boys. Like, the whole squad should be motorcycling Vietnam together. What are we doing? Like, just imagine this with the fucking boys, but everyone's stuck fucking coping. Depressing. Stopping town to town. Hello. Everyone's so nice here. Stopping town to town. Fucking getting some bintangs, or I guess tiger beer here. Fucking just chilling. All together. That'd be an absolute blast. But here I am alone. Not even my sweet brother came this time. Abandoned. Tragedy. Let's see. Where are we? Okay, keep going. Maybe in the future. I feel like in a couple of years, maybe I gotta make something happen. I have to make some business shit happen. I'm not going back to fucking pipelining, bro. That's so gay. There's so many opportunities, but you just gotta fucking take it. I wish I was like, I don't know, in a sense, this may sound cope, but in a way I wish I was more retarded. Because instead of thinking about everything and sitting there thinking about 100 things that can go wrong, I wish I just fucking like ape moded into it, just bash my skull into stuff, and then you just figure it out. You figure it out as you go. Like, you can't prepare for everything. I just gotta fucking beast mode something. Instead of hitting the brakes, gotta hit the throttle. I keep missing the jump, getting cold feet, playing it safe, being lazy, spending too much time doom scrolling on fucking social media. Like, I think I might have to uninstall Instagram. Wait, what the hell are we here? I do think I might have to uninstall Instagram. Yeah, and Twitter. You know, I didn't use Twitter for like 7 years. Oh, fuck. Yeah, I'll get a good video of it. I didn't use Twitter for like 7 years, and just recently I started using it again to follow like investment shit, but I don't know, I think it's a waste of time. No one knows fuck all about the markets. They're having a party back there. Kind of miss it though. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain. She'll be coming around the mountain. Holy fuck, don't do that, please. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. Oh, I'm gonna be one of those noobs that's cornering issues and just flying in the ditch. So far, Dalat, I think Dalat would be a good place. If you had like a nice remote job, you could have a beautiful life in Dalat, I think. So I don't know about, for me at least, Ho Chi Minh's too fucking nuts, but Dalat is very nice. I know, but we've been going down the mountain for a while, so I'm being a bit far away, but. So the climate here is getting warmer and warmer as we descend. So many, they really like their flowers here. Like just everywhere there's all these nice flowers, trees planted. This is like some tiny little town too. Some little mountain island, big excavator. You know, if I were to scooter across Vietnam, I would definitely want a proper helmet, like whatever this shit is that they put on you. I don't know, you can't really see it, but it ain't it. The ones like that, I feel like this isn't good. This isn't gonna do shit to save me. It's like a placebo helmet. It's like these guys are carrying fucking lances or something. Jousters. Motorcycle jousting.
Take the next left.
It's really dry here.
Continue straight past Dalat Bay. Maybe Noidia Quang Tajiri, Nia Tweed.
Yeah, it's my favorite street. Hotel, someone has a hotel there.
Continue straight past Dalat Bay. Maybe
To be honest,
Quang
TBH honest, I don't know if I'd really
Nia Tweed.
stay
Your
here.
destination will be
Like this
Dalat.
is, I mean, I guess like if you're, maybe if I was like motorcycle in the country or something, I'd stay one night. Problem is, I brought too much shit. I'm kind of like, I'm traveling more like a fucking, like I have my laptop, camera, and shit. I'm more traveling as if I'm staying in a place for a while. I didn't really plan very well for motorcycling. I'd have to find a place where I can leave my bags. I don't know. I mean, it's a big statue, but is it that impressive though? That's the question. Ooh. This motorcycle sounding a bit. Am I allowed to? I don't see any other scooters, but I see tire tracks. I wonder if this thing's just hot. I feel bad, like I shouldn't take your scooter this far. I told her though, she let me use it. I don't know. I just feel bad. I don't know why. Like I hate, like I'd rather do this to a rental scooter, not someone who's nice. Oh, there's the waterfall there. Oh, I can park my scooter over in the shade here. God, I gotta take a shit. Alright, we're here. Shall we go down to the waterfall? Perhaps you a card. Playing card. That's a nice waterfall, not gonna lie. I want to get a nice picture of it. I don't know where I can get a good angle. For my, another one of my schemes that's not work out. Ah, here's good. Maybe it'll work out. Maybe if I actually fucking try. I haven't tried that yet. I would try trying. I wonder if I could get like one of these homies in the statue picture. I want to take a picture of everything here. This guy, I like this guy. He is the most character. All right, we're on our adventure. Nice flowers. Oh, shit. I'm yapping. Someone's down here. Should I go over there? How the fuck do I even get over there? I want to go right up to it. I don't know if this is it. But it's like... It's like they ran out of money or something. How the hell do I get all the way over there? If you can see, like, right there. Let's see, can I zoom? There's a little platform, but I think I have to come in from the other way. Because I don't even think over there takes you there. I think I have to come in from like that building and come down, but I'll head back to the pagoda for now. Wonderful wood carvings. This place has an unfinished feel to it. I wonder what the lore of all these monk thugs hanging out around the edges are. That's cool. That tree is trimmed to look like a pagoda. Wow, that's pretty neat. Just sarcastic. They always do this. The trees are always planted in rows. It's weird. Perfect rows. What's in here? Disco ball. Go clubbing in there. We'll have to look up the history of this place. Another lore drop segment. It's kind of a cinematic view. I think I'm satisfied. I've seen everything I need to see. It was a cool drive, at least. I'll head back, and if there's some interesting stops along the way, I'll actually pull over this time. I think I saw a couple, but Anjai tree. And we're off. I'm gonna go do some. There's like this stop. What do you mean stop? I think I was supposed to park over there, but no one's even here. This place seems kind of abandoned. They kind of just said, ah, fuck, and leave it open, let everyone come in here. I am going to head off. Back 30 minutes up the road, there is a little attraction that I want to try out. But I need to save my camera for it because it involves like go-kart or something. It's quite a nice little thing. I decided to pull over here. But let's see. Ooh, is this? I don't know. I feel like I shouldn't drive here. I feel disrespectful right now. Sorry guys. I'll just drive around it a bit and then I'll maybe walk around, take a look. Skis! Interesting. Very nice, very nice. I don't know, no one's here. There's like this nice little complex here and there isn't a single soul. No one gives a fuck about this place, I guess. How dry it is. People have been here. I've got to improve holding this phone camera straight. Last time I had it all buggered. This is the most, like the ultimate tourist right now. Scraggly hair from the motorbike, camera, backpack, just fucking tourism mode. Very nice. It's a big complex. It's so empty though. It's used for ceremonies or something. It's not made for random white boys. Wheelchair access. I really like the bonsai trees in Asia. They kind of go insane. Would that be considered a bonsai? It's pretty big. Wonder how old some of these trees are. Like they've just been sculpted for 4 years. My scooter's still there.
quite epic, if I say so myself. Back up the mountain we go. I don't trust these fucking buses, man. Fuck them buses. Yeah, a nice view here. I don't know if you can really see anything. God damn it. We gotta get down there somehow. I think it's back this way. And then I can turn right and then I'll be there. Or just ram my scooter off the cliff. Well, I mean, not my scooter, my friend's. I don't like this garbage here though. This pisses me off. Clean this shit up. Fucking big fucking that's a big bitch. Fucking Mario Kart. Beep, beep. Fuck, we ain't breaking. I'm ripping down this thing. Make sure this is recording. Yeah, there we go. We'll pass it. I can flip this thing. Fuck, I'm a pro. Fuck. Is this world record pace? Trying to balance world record pace and not getting in trouble.
Ok, xin phép cho hai người khác.
Leave my helmet?
Hai bạn.
Okay. It's quite a nice little area though. They did a really nice job landscaping this. It's crazy. This must have cost them so much fucking money to build this whole thing. Like, they even have like this track, and the whole mountainside is just like a big complex. But and you get 2 rides for $250K. I mean, oh look, there's a little lizard. I think this thing will take me up. I don't know how to get up top. Probably a car. All right, I gotta beat our time. One more ride. Are we all going at once? We're not passing. We'll be passing.
rẻ mà. Ê, em đi chơi tiếp luôn á.
Almost following this fucking thing. Holy fuck, I'm not gonna fucking roll. Dude, you gotta use your body weight. We're coming in. This is a legendary run right here. That was actually pretty fun, I'm not gonna lie. Especially being, like if you had a group of people just sitting there all day and racing on that thing, that'd be fun as fuck. If I was rich, I'd rent that shit out, this whole place out for the day. Just have all the boys here just get drunk and fucking rip those stupid little fucking downhill carts around. Some scenic picturesque views. But I gotta head back to Dalat now. I could have stayed, but I don't. There's like a swing. That's it. I'm here to do Mario Kart. That shit was fun. I actually didn't even know this was like. I think I saw that famous Mario Kart thing, but I didn't even know that this was it. I just happened to stop here, so I'm glad I ended up stopping here. I fucking went beast mode. I started in like last place because I got on last and I finished first. So maybe I'm going try hard, but I mean it's kind of fun. So see how fast you can go. I had that stupid cart on 2 wheels like multiple times. Almost tipped it over. You just gotta use your body weight. And then you get some tequila. Don't like tequila. That's loaded with mushrooms. Chicken. So this is like an extra bowl or what? Or
Yeah, it's extra.
Thành phố nào nhớ không tìm nơi chúng mình tình phục êm đềm. Thành phố nào vừa đi đã mỏi.
peppercorn beer.
How it tastes?
It's good. It's different, but it's good.